How to comb natural hair. First, dampen the hair with some type of moisture. This is the leave-in conditioning spray. You can also use the hair oil in this step. Take a section of the hair and start at the ends. You're detangling the ends from the end towards the middle. So you start with combing out the ends first, and then you go towards the middle and you pull through the areas that you've already detangled until you get to the scalp. It's that easy. And if you do section by section, you can ensure that you detangle all of the hair. Start at the ends, work your way towards the middle by pulling through the ends, going down a little bit further until you are detangling from the scalp. And if you hit a spot that seems like if you go a little deeper into the hair and it's more tangled, what you're gonna do is you just gently go a little bit above that area and inch down into that area until you've detangled the whole section. And that's it.